everyone, hope you all safe with a good health. With you, Ms. Dina Al-Badri, science teacher for grade 7. Today we will start lesson 1 in unit 3, the atmosphere. Let us start. What is the Earth's atmosphere? The atmosphere is the mixture of gases that surround the Earth. So the atmosphere is a group of gases that surround the Earth. The function of the atmosphere include protecting organisms from the sun's damage ray and maintaining the right temperature range for life. So the atmosphere doesn't only help us to breathe. No, it protects us from the sun rays like ultraviolet and infrared, and maintaining the temperature of the Earth. The atmosphere also supplies gases necessary for breathing. Is made up of 78% nitrogen gas and 21% oxygen gas and 1% other gases. Again, the atmosphere is made up of a 78% nitrogen gas and 21% oxygen gas and 1% other gases. The atmosphere also contains small particles of dust, volcanic ashes, and sea salt, smoke, bacteria, and pollen. The atmosphere also has clouds that contain liquid water droplets and solid water in the form of the snow and the ice crystals. So the atmosphere doesn't contain air only. No, it contains dust, small particles that fly in the air like the pollen grain, which transfer from one plant to another plant. Most water in the atmosphere is in the form of the water vapor, which is invisible gas. So the air doesn't contain only oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, helium. No, it contains also water vapor, which is an invisible gas. Gravity pulls gas molecules in the atmosphere toward Earth, causing the air pressure. Air pressure is the measure of the force with which the air molecules push on an area of the surface. So the air pressure is the measure of the force with which air molecules push on an area of a surface. Air pressure decreases or a distance as altitude or distance from the Earth's surface increase. So when the distance from the Earth's surface increase, the pressure will decrease. When we go upward from the Earth, when we go far from the Earth, the air pressure decrease. As the altitude increases, air temperature also changes. Some parts of the atmosphere are warmer because they contain high percent of gases that absorb solar energy. Okay, so we have some gases which can absorb sun energy or heat energy, so it will be warmer than the other gases. Other parts of the atmosphere contain less of these gases and are cooler. What are the layers of the atmosphere? The atmosphere is divided into 4 layers. Okay, what is the difference between these 4 layers? Temperature and other property, but the most important property is temperature. So we classify the atmospheric air into 4 layers according to the change in temperature and some other properties. Okay, the first one, thermosphere. The second one, mesosphere. So first one, thermosphere. Second one, mesosphere. Third one, stratosphere. And the fourth one, troposphere. Okay, so what are the 4 layers? Let us say it from the beginning. First one, thermosphere. Second one, yeah, mesosphere. Third one, stratosphere. And the fourth one, troposphere. Today we will talk about the thermosphere. Is the uppermost layer with temperature that increase as the altitude increase. The thermosphere feels cold because particles are so far apart. The word altitude, it means the distance, the highest. So the temperature in the thermosphere increase when the highest or altitude increase. The thermosphere feels cold because particles are so far apart. The second one, mesosphere, is between the thermosphere and the third one, stratosphere. In the mesosphere, the temperature decreases as the altitude increase. Okay, so in the mesosphere, the temperature high or low? Low, when the altitude increases. Okay, that's all today. Next time, inshallah, we will talk about the second and the third and fourth layer in details. Hope you all understand. Thank you.